Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified every time that I post. So today I'm going to be demonstrating and reviewing how to use this heated eyelash curler by TOUCHBeauty. So it comes in a different color as well. It's like a pinkish reddish color. I chose to go with the light purple. So I'm going to compare this eyelash curler to a regular eyelash curler. This is by TWEEZERMAN. I got this one at Sephora a couple of years ago. So let me go ahead and take this out of the package. So this is what it looks like. And this actually did not come with the batteries, which was kind of a bummer. So it takes AAA batteries, 2 of AAA batteries. So you're gonna go ahead and turn this on and it heats up in about 15 seconds. So it is heating up, and the way that you can tell that it is ready to use is this red piece will turn clear. You can kind of start seeing it turn clear. So once it's all the way clear, then you can start using it. The instructions say to use it for 10 to 15 seconds, but I literally just use it for 1 second and it does the job. So I wouldn't hold it on there longer than 5 seconds. Now that it is all clear, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyelashes for about 2 seconds. So I'm gonna do my right eye with this eyelash curler and my left eye with this eyelash curler to show you guys the difference. Okay. So what you're gonna do here is get your eyelashes through there. Make sure that the corner eyelashes are on there. I don't know if you guys can actually see. Okay, so all my eyelashes are on there. Did you guys take a look on what my eyelashes looked like before? Okay, so now let's put this on here. I'm gonna hold it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Look at that freaking difference already. That is freaking crazy. I could do it longer, but I've actually done it where it's like 5 seconds and it curls all the way to the back of my eyelid, and every time I blink I can feel it like touching my eyelid, so I don't like that. Okay, so that was about 2 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to use my TWEEZERMAN, so just a normal eyelash curler. So take a look at my eyelashes before. This one's obviously after. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It still curled it, but definitely not as fast and not as curled as this one over here. Oh, I shouldn't have put that dark eyeshadow on. I hope you guys can still see it. So now I'm gonna put mascara on my eyelashes so that you guys can really see the difference between a normal eyelash curler and then the heated one.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded.
So I am done putting mascara on, and this is the first time I've used this and actually put mascara on, and I can seriously see the difference. So I hope you can see it on camera. So this is the eye that I use the heated eyelash curler on. Let me do a side view. And I feel like you can really tell, like right here, like what a difference it makes. Like these are definitely more curled and up compared to these. These are still pretty curled, but not as much as this. This also took 2 seconds and I held this one down for 5 seconds. And this one is way more curled. I hope you guys can see that on camera. Like look how curled this is. And then I don't know if you guys can see where I'm pointing at and the difference. I don't know if you guys remember like growing up doing this, or if you still do this, but like taking a lighter and going through it on your normal like eyelash curler to heat it up in order for your eyelashes to curl more. And now you don't have to do that. Now you can just buy the actual thing and it works in like 2 seconds and you don't have to be carrying around a freaking lighter. Anyways, I highly recommend this. It makes a world of a difference, and I'm actually very impressed because I go every 3 months to get what you call a lash curl, which is basically like perming your eyelashes. And it lasts about 3 months, so I go every 3 months, and now I'm not going to be going and I don't have to make appointments, and this does the job every day, leaves them nice and perked up. I'm actually wondering what happens if I try to curl my eyelashes after they have mascara on them with the heated eyelash curler. So let me see here. Yes, I love this. I love this. I cannot wait to keep using this. I am so excited that I don't have to make appointments anymore. Alright guys, so to clean off your heated eyelash curler, it recommends to use a damp washcloth. I actually used a makeup wipe. I hope that doesn't affect how it works, but use it at your own risk. I will leave the link for this product down in the description, and that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. Bye!